I cheated a little bit and got some trim ready over the weekend for the downstairs bathroom. It is Monday, and it's been a bit of a slow start to the day after a somewhat bibulous weekend. Now I am hoping to do some tiling soon. I'm still planning to have this midweek marathon attempt, so we'll see about that. Meanwhile, I'm thinking the guys are going to finish up a good chunk of that back deck this week. I put up the Durock and red guarded everything to protect against moisture. And then I installed some trim and got a little more priming and painting done. Whoa!
So we pulled up some stairs today. Carpenter Ant Village. But it's cold, so they didn't scramble. See, they're just hanging out. Can you see those guys in there?
While Eric and Travis continued to shore up the deck, I took the day off for an all-day golf marathon. Literally. Click the link above if you'd like to see more about those shenanigans. The next day I was back at it with the guys.
All this action.
Yeah. Well,
Loving it. Do you guys have enough concrete?
Oh, dry fitness.
Did you get it?
Good job. You did some plumbing without...
That's the plumbing. It didn't leak.
Grouting tomorrow.
I think it is a masterpiece of refurbishment.
Yeah.
Look at that thing.
Yes.
You guys have a good weekend.
Next attempt.
It's working. It's Friday, and this is day 12. Well, I guess that's a little arbitrary because some days I've got one person working, me. Some days we've got 4 people working. Anyway, day 12, and I have some fun stuff I'm going to work on today. Love this little entrance. This deck just feels so good. Great work, guys. Still some changes to come, but this is looking great.
Here's a non-pro tip. If you suck at tile like I do, choose a grout color that is similar to your tile color, and you won't be able to see all the imperfections. These days I use darker tile, darker grout, and that way the grout over time you can't see how dirty it actually gets. That self-leveling system also did a great job with just keeping these large format tiles even. Look at this dirty, nasty grout, and it's really hard to clean. I'm gonna just put some tile caulk in there and it'll never look dirty again. I realized I needed to have the rag not be too wet, just had to be damp. And wipe it down a few times with that, and then just wipe it down with a dryer rag after that. And now I'll let it sit, just cure for a little bit, and then I can wipe off the residue. I finished the week with some final concrete polishing and a little more playing around with the metal. That's another week down. Still feeling pretty good about things. Next week we'll have Pete back. We're gonna have nice weather. I'm hoping we get a good chunk of that porch knocked out. The front porch, the back deck should mostly be finished. I'd like to get a good portion of the basement done. Finish up the bathroom, texturing, painting.
Can't wait to get back to Colorado.
Towards the end of the day, I got a casket order. So that's probably what I'll be working on this weekend.